Alright, I'm gonna pitch this drain line and secure it. Give it a better pitch because it looks like it's going down, so just give it a little lift. And I still got enough play here where it's going down this way. So let's get it. Go. Yes, sir. Let's get it. So it's still pitched, nice and secure. So this pitch is good. See, nice and pitched, going down, and then goes away, or goes down. So sweet. So I am going to recommend them to wrap the TXV. The wraps up there, everything is too tight, so I'll just get the one with the where you can just wrap it properly. And then yeah, everything's good besides the float switches. So let's go. Make sure everything is tight in here, no loose wires. See, that one was loose.
I'm gonna run to Home Depot and get that filter, and I'm gonna buy the Echo.
Okay, yes ma'am.
I need two, right? Because there's one up here.
Yes ma'am, for two of them.
Yeah, one controller's here, one downstairs. Okay, let me go.
Yes ma'am. Alright, everything looks good there. Put everything back. Jump on to the next unit and see what we got. Yeah, so these wires were loose from the thermostat on the board. Alright, let's jump on to the next unit. Take a swing around with me. Let's go. Hope everybody's having or about to have a good 4th of July. Out here just getting it. Bam. 4th of July, y'all. So I'm gonna see if the wire wires from the thermostat in here on the board are loose because that one over there was. So there's no capacitors on this unit. Using my Klein for the thermostat. That's what they have right here. This block right here. So let's just see what. Yeah, these are pretty loose too. Oh, wow, this top one is super loose. Wrong, wrong terminal on that one. Okay, tight, tight, tight. Okay, sweet. All right, just put everything back. Everything looks good in here. Wires, everything's pushed in. All the mullet plugs. Checking the amperage real quick. Yes, sir. All right. Sure this is good. Try to hurry up and get out of this attic. It's getting hot. Getting hot, hot, hot. But I must say, this is a nice attic, though. It's not a lot of room. All right. Make sure y'all wear y'all booties. So there's a filter in there. So they're unscrewing all these screws right here. They didn't know there was a filter in the attic. So I got this one upstairs and one downstairs. So I'm gonna remove that.